Hello, you're welcome to yet another interesting lesson today. Today we want to make a pantograph, a piece of art craft that enlarges or reduces pictures. How does it work? Let's see how it works. If you put your pencil here and this marker over here, whatever picture you draw here will be enlarged here. Or if you put your pencil over here and your marker here, whatever picture you draw here will be reduced here. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So you carefully put your marker here, then your pencil over here. So let's draw something and see how it enlarges. So carefully. Good. So let's do it like this, and then like this, like this, and then like this. Good. So let's stop here. Let's see how it is. So what we drew here was enlarged over here. Now let's make our pantograph. We need ruler, sellotape, adhesive putty, marking tape, pencil, marker, some pins, scissors, bottle cap, and carton. So we start by cutting the carton. So let's clear our table. So you get your carton and then you measure, take note of the measurement. You measure 50 centimeters across. So from here to here is 30. Is 30. Then we add 20 to 30. So that's 50. Then for the width, we have 5 centimeters. 5. So let's also measure here 5 centimeters. And another one 5 centimeters. So we then draw it out carefully like this. So let's confirm it, 5 centimeters. Then we cut it with our scissors. Get rid of this one. Then you have something like this. So you do 2 of this one, some more. The same thing. You measure 50 centimeters. So when you're done, you have something like this. 3 of it. Each is 50 centimeters. Next, you get one of these 50 centimeters and you mark out 30 centimeters. 30, this 30. And the other one 20 centimeters, like this. So you draw it like this, then you cut it into 2. So now you have 30 centimeters, 20, and then 2 of 50 centimeters. Next, you get this 2 that is 50 centimeters, you put it this way, like this, and then the other that is 30 centimeters, you put it this way, and then finally this one this way. Have you done that? Next, you get your ruler and then you make a point 2.5 centimeters, that's 2.5 centimeters from each end. So here you have 2.5 centimeters. At this point also the same thing, 2.5 centimeters. That's for this one. The same thing to this one. 2.5 centimeters at this end. And here also 2.5 centimeters. Likewise to this one. Let's start from here, 2.5 centimeters. Put them here too. Now you can either make this one 2.5 centimeters or let's give it 8 centimeters. So I prefer to give it 8 centimeters at this point. Then this one too, 2.5. Then 2.5 here too. So let's test it and see. Yeah, something like this. Good. Excellent. Next, you get your bottle cap. You make a hole here like this on the two bottle caps. So you put one at this end and the other one at this end. So let's go. You put it under, then you carefully get your pin, make it go through this part. Carefully. Then you turn it upside down and then you make it lap like this. Good. Next, we are going to put a sellotape at this point and also at this point. So let's tape it. We tape it like this. And this one also. And here also, we'll tape this part. Next, you put another pin here to hold it. Almost there. So we're going to make another hole here for the marker to stay. Okay, we can carefully cut this part out. So you make a hole here for the marker to stay. Another hole here for the pencil to stay. Next, you get your adhesive putty and you make this part fixed to the table like this, so that when you're moving it, you can have something like this. Something like this. Good. So we're done with this. We're done with this. This. Now we move to the next stage. We get papers to put on our table. So you put one over here where the marker will be, and then the other one over here where the pencil will be. Then we'll keep it stick to the table with masking tape. So let's secure it to the table with this masking tape here and here. It's now time to test our pantogram. So you get your marker, you put it at this end. Good. Then you draw whatever shape you want to draw here and watch it enlarge. So let's go. Good. Let's see what we've drawn. Good. So this flower is enlarged over here. So that'll be all about the pantogram. To do this, you need carton, your pen, your adhesive putty, the bottle cap under, your paper, masking tape, your sellotape, your marker, and your pencil. That'll be all for now, and I'll see you next time.